Technology has made recharging easy. You can now recharge movie, data card, TV, and a lot more through the internet. Problem is, most of the recharge portals are either exclusive to one type of recharge, which makes recharging from multiple services a nightmare. Or even if some platforms are offering multiple recharge options through their portal, its user interface is complex and flooded with coupons and ads, thus destroying the ease and user experience completely. But not anymore. Introducing PayUcharge.com, a single platform to recharge and pay for multiple services, including prepaid phones, postpaid numbers, data cards, TV, bill payments, and even flight booking. Thanks to its clean and user-friendly interface, you can now recharge with a single touch and in just a few steps. PayCharge is available for all kinds of smart devices, making recharging easier than ever. And the best part is, on PayUcharge, all transactions are completely safe and secure. So what are you waiting for? Do multiple recharge through PayUcharge, easily, conveniently, and securely. To know more and get started, visit PayUcharge.com today.